Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Grammar Quizzes. So without any delay, let's start. She likes tea, gap. He prefers coffee. The correct answer is but. Gap. The weather is hot. I still enjoy going to the beach. The correct answer is although. We need to leave soon, gap. We will miss the train. The correct answer is unless. He wants to go to the movie, gap. I want to stay home and read a book. The correct answer is but. I didn't have time to study, gap. I did well on the test. The correct answer is but. We cannot go to the concert, gap. We have tickets. The correct answer is although. She will come to the party, gap. She may be a little late. The correct answer is but. He cannot eat dairy products, gap. He loves pizza. The correct answer is although. She is very busy with work, gap. She still manages to exercise regularly. The correct answer is and. I don't like to cook, gap. I enjoy eating out at restaurants. The correct answer is although. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, Grammar Quizzes, then subscribe to our channel now and set the bell notification to all. See you at the next quiz.